you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. So you probably have noticed that this video looks a little bit different from any other of my videos, and it is because, well, I've been posting a lot of food pictures on my Instagram stories of food, what I eat throughout the day, and then I posted this particular picture and you guys asked me to do an actual cooking video to show how I made this. This is not really a cooking because it's just piling up ingredients into one dish, but let's call it a cooking video. So I don't know if you know guys, but I am vegan. I became vegan almost a year ago and I've been vegetarian for many years. And if you would like to see a video of me talking why I became a vegan, leave a comment down below and I'll sure make that video. And I'm not your typical vegan, guys. I mean, I'm not gonna go and tell you that you deserve to die if you kill animals and so on. I had different reasons why I became vegan, and yeah, I believe you guys are smart enough to know what you're doing and what you're doing to the earth and your own health. And yeah, I'm gonna leave this to you guys. But this video is a vegan cooking, and actually guys, if you would like to see more vegan cooking videos, leave a comment down below and let me know. And I think without any further ado, let's just jump in and start this cooking video. I forgot to mention that this particular dish I got inspired while on a recent holiday in Bali. If you haven't seen a Bali vlog, I'm gonna link it in here. Bali and Gill Island vlog is 2 parts. I'm gonna link it in here so you guys can check it out after this video. Alright, without any further ado, let's jump in and see what we got and what ingredients we need to create this particular dish. So I already prepped the chia seeds, so that's the main ingredient for this dish. So what I did, so last night I put a bit of the chia seeds and then poured over an almond milk. So just a plain simple chia seeds. And then I poured over the unsweetened almond milk. You can use any milk you would like, guys. You can use oat milk, coconut milk, hazelnut milk, soya milk if you feel like. I prefer unsweetened almond milk, so that's why I used this one for this particular dish. So I did this last night. I just put a bit of the chia seeds and then poured milk over, and now it looks kind of like a jelly because chia seeds absorbs the liquid in, so it goes bigger, if you can see guys. So chia seeds is our main ingredient. All the rest of the ingredients are optional and can be changed to any other fruit or nut or anything you can find in your home or that is seasonal to the region you live in. So other things we need is a bit of a yogurt. I'm using this cherry vegan yogurt by ALPRO. You can use any yogurt you want. You can use just a plain coconut or almond yogurt or soya yogurt without any flavor, but I prefer this one with cherry, so I'm using this one today. Plus this one is the only one that I have in my fridge at the moment. As I told you, all the ingredients are optional and you can mix and match, and it's still gonna be amazing. Other ingredients that we need are part of the chia seeds that been soaked overnight. Any flavored vegan yogurt is the oats. So I have a muesli, I have fruit and nut muesli. You can use granola if you want to, whatever you have, as I mentioned before. And then I have some coconut shavings and pumpkin seeds. Once again, it can be replaced with nuts or any other seeds you have. Optional as all the rest ingredients in this dish. So then I have a few raspberries, blueberries, freshly chopped strawberries. By the way, it's only 2 strawberries, and a bit of a mint just for the decoration of the dish. And then a bit of a chopped kiwi and chopped persimmon. So this is 1 kiwi and 1 persimmon. All the ingredients are optional. You can use banana, orange, pineapple, apple, pear, any other fruits or berries or nuts that you can find or you have already at home. And just to sweeten this up a little bit, I'm gonna use the organic agave syrup, as this is so much better and so much healthier for you than the actual sugar, and it's low in calories and it's actually good for your health. And that's all ingredients that we need at the moment. I'm telling you, this is like the easiest dish you could ever imagine. Oh, and I'm gonna be serving this in this jar because I thought it looks cute like this. You can serve in a glass cup like this or just a bowl if you want to, but I feel like if you can see all the ingredients through the dish, it looks a bit nicer, so I'm using just a glass jar. So I think without any further ado, let's just start, guys. So as the first thing, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add this chia seeds that we pre-soaked a night before. And I'm gonna add just like a tiny bit, just till here. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking a spoon and putting this in. Alright, so we are done with chia. So far I put that much if you guys can see. You can put as much as you want to, however you feel like. Everything, as I mentioned, is optional. So next thing I'm doing, I'm gonna take some yogurt and just gonna place it on the top. I want to put this one a little bit on the sides, as I want to make sure this is gonna show off in this glass dish. So I might leave the middle a bit empty. So we got this already. Looks like that. You can see layers. And now we're just gonna mix and match all the ingredients that we have. There's no particular order. As I mentioned, everything that you do in here, you can do, you know, you can mix and match and add different ingredients, whatever you want. But next thing I'm doing, I'm just gonna add this muesli, dry fruit, and nut muesli on the top of this, because I want to create the layers. So once again, I'm adding on the side because later we're gonna add fruits, and fruits will sink down a little bit in the middle. I really want this layer to show off, and you can add just as much as you feel like, or just as much as you want to. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do, let's start adding fruits. This time I'm gonna add a little bit of the persimmon. Here we go. So with persimmon, we are done. So next thing I'm doing, I'm adding a little bit of the kiwi in. I really hope you guys can see on the camera what I'm doing. So next thing we're gonna do, add some strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, and we're gonna pretty much be done. There's no particular order how you need to place it, just, you know, drop in and that would do. So now I'm gonna add some blueberries. Just, you know, whatever you feel will look nicer, or you would prefer that to be that way, just add that in. As I'm telling you, this is not really a cooking video, this is a placing ingredients in one bowl video, so super simple. Already looks beautiful, by the way, in my opinion. Okay, now we're gonna add a bit of the pumpkin seeds. So I'm just gonna sprinkle this around in no particular order, just anywhere you feel like. This is so packed with energy, so good for you guys, for your health, so much fiber and proteins. Okay, another thing we're gonna do, add some raspberries, some strawberries in the middle, just to decorate, to make it look a little bit nicer. So I'm putting a few more blueberries. Another thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna add some agave syrup, and then a few coconut shavings. This is optional as well. And the last but not least thing, I'm telling you that was so fast, is a little bit of mint for the decoration. Make sure you wash it before you use. I'm just gonna place this in the middle right here. And then a few extra leaves that we have in here, I'm just gonna place on the side. And this is it. Our dish is complete. What do you guys think? And that's us done. This was super easy, super fast, your healthy start of the day breakfast, super nutritious, loads of energy packed in it, and you're gonna feel full all day long and energized, and you'll feel healthier as well. This is so good for you. I can't wait anymore to start and actually try this, because I'm filming this early in the morning and I still haven't had my breakfast. I had a coffee just to keep me going for this video. Yeah, I can't wait to actually try this, because this looks so good. Oh man, that's so yummy. My goodness. This is so good, guys. Oh my god. I'll leave this for later. Let's finish off this video first. This is so tasty, so good. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my first ever cooking video, although technically it wasn't much cooking, it was only placing the ingredients in one bowl together. But I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this cooking video. If so, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you would like to see more cooking videos, the actual cooking vegan videos, and maybe I should try involve my husband in it, as he is professional chef and he does that for his job. So he's really good in it. And another question, would you like to see a Q&A video? Because I believe you guys don't know so many things about me? If so, leave a comment down below and leave your question as well, what you would like to know about me. And I think, yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you in this particular video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this and you're gonna be trying out this recipe. If so, please don't forget to tag me in your pictures, as I would love to see this. And yeah, I can't wait to share more videos with you guys, and I'll see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Ciao.